is in the litany of pain. Anti-risk, you live on mark, but it's louder than the chain. And I don't see how you carry on without a pulse to breathe. And enjoy the calm before it starts to block. So let's die out as scenes, leave the world behind. Nobody will be here to come and match you down. All your followers and friends won't save you in the end. So grab your shit and run. We had a thief let his body drain into a ditch, but they were the grip. Don't let your soul get stomped on by your bitch. And I don't see why you don't jump that gun and get it over with. Better brace yourself before it stops and blood. So let's die out as scenes, leave the world behind. Nobody will be here to come on much you can. All your followers and friends won't save you in the end. So drop your soul and run. So let's die out